again, guys. So I'm First Class V back with another GCSS-A helpful video, and today we're on part 12 of our Access Administrative series, when we're going to be talking about maintaining labor-related personnel data. All right, so I hope you're liking this series so far. If you're new to this channel, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into GCSS-Army here. All right, so like usual, we're going to use our workbench, and then from our workbench, we're going to go into PA30, which is your maintain personnel. All right, so this transaction, we're going to talk about maintaining related personnel data, is it's used to maintain labor-related data for personnel records. All right, this data enables maintenance personnel to charge time to their work orders. So if it's blank, you may have an issue. All right. Each personnel record consists of a series of screens called info types. We'll get into that. Each info type contains related information about a person, such as contacts, so forth. All right. So one critical thing, okay, when using PA30 to access individual data, you're locking that individual's personnel number, okay, preventing it from accessing by any other user. So use the get in, get out method. All right. Whatever you need to do, get in and then get out. All right. So before you do this, you should review the ZCO _HR _ACT _type report to determine that the activity type is missing from the record. All right. So let's go ahead and jump into this here. All right. So this is the initial screen here, okay, where the transaction appears. Like I said, if you don't know the personnel number, watch my previous video. I'll show you how to search other ways. So I'm just going to hit enter. All right. So from here, right, we're going to go to time default sheets. We're going to hit display. And if you notice, no data stored. Okay. So we're actually going to create a sheet. So for active duty, we don't need to worry about the activity type. We just need to do wage grade. And you'll go to whatever maintenance, occupation. Oh, hit the wrong one there, didn't I? General maintenance operation. Sorry. All right. So, like I said, this allows you to be able to add time to work orders. So if you're missing this, then you could have an issue. All right. So, like I said, when we do this, the plan grade for us is always going to be wage grade, of course, your pay grade, and so forth. All right. And then once you put in this information, now you can find all these activity codes that you may need, but most of it is self-explanatory. I mean, if you're an armament shop, your armament, and it's going to ask you small arms repairing, so forth. So you just need to find what that maintainer's actually doing. So general equipment maintenance. All right, so that's what we're going to leave it as for now. So once that's done, right? So if you're not saving it, then you're just practicing. So we're going to have to save it, and they'll save record created. So now when we go in here and display, we're able to charge time to work orders because he's actually in here correctly. All right, so I hope this video was helpful. This video is kind of short, but this is pretty easy when we talk about, maintaining labor rates or labor personnel data. So hope this video was helpful. Like I said, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. We're almost done our Access Administrative series. Once we're done with this, we're going to move in and probably finish our demand analysis, our last 5 or 6 videos of that. And then we're going to start our huge dispatching series. So as always, go Ordnance.